Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Amazfit Helio Ring, a sleek and innovative smart ring that's making waves in the wearable tech space. Let's unpack its design, features, and overall performance. Imagine a wearable that blends seamlessly into your lifestyle, offering health insights without the bulk of a smartwatch. That's exactly what the Amazfit Helio Ring promises. Crafted from titanium alloy, this ring is remarkably lightweight and comfortable, weighing just about 4 grams with a slim profile of 2.6 millimeters. It's available in a single finish and limited sizes, catering primarily to simplicity and functionality. The Helio Ring sports a minimalistic design with a titanium alloy exterior, ensuring durability with 100 meters of water resistance. Despite its robust build, it's susceptible to scratches, a trade-off for its lightweight and comfortable fit. This makes it suitable for everyday wear, even during physical activities. Now, let's talk about what really matters: the health tracking capabilities. Equipped with sensors for heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen levels, body temperature, ETA, ECG, accelerometer, and gyroscope, the Helio Ring packs a punch in its tiny form. These sensors work in tandem to provide insights into sleep patterns, stress levels, fitness recovery, and even menstrual health. To maximize the Helio Ring's potential, it integrates seamlessly with the Zepp Health app, available for both iOS and Android. The app offers basic health insights for free, including sleep tracking and workout recovery data. For deeper analytics and features like AI-driven sleep insights, users can opt for the premium Zepp app, which comes with a subscription fee after the trial period. Battery life is impressive, lasting up to 4 days on a single charge, with quick charging capabilities taking less than 2 hours to replenish fully. This efficiency means less downtime and more time actively tracking your health metrics. Compared to its counterparts like the Oura Ring Gen 3 and Samsung Galaxy Ring, the Helio Ring stands out for its affordability and no mandatory subscription for core features. While it may lack some advanced features found in higher-end models, its performance in sleep tracking and overall comfort makes it a compelling choice for those looking to enter the smart ring market. In conclusion, the Amazfit Helio Ring proves to be a worthy contender in the smart ring category, offering a blend of style, comfort, and essential health tracking capabilities. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or simply someone who values discreet health monitoring, this ring ticks many boxes. Just remember, while it excels in basic health metrics, those seeking more comprehensive insights may find themselves leaning towards the premium Zepp app. That wraps up our review of the Amazfit Helio Ring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.